The San Antonio Spurs have been eliminated in the NBA Finals against the New York Knicks. They got absolutely destroyed because this guy been selling. He been selling. Mister 1 for 10 over here, 3 for 15. Dylan Harper is somehow the most points at everybody, and he's a rookie. Oh, that's good. So today we're gonna rebuild him into a championship. I know, guys, that I've been gone for a while. Well, hey, man, cause I'm not like famous, so yeah, we chill. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna be out playing way more now since the NBA playoffs are over now. So we uploading way more, probably every other day, lucky. Mm. I don't know what to upload, but hey, we're gonna figure it out, guys. We are gonna figure it out. Give us LeBron. Okay, you're mean. You are a mean guy. You are a mean guy. You are a mean guy. Give us microphone. We really only can get CJ McCollum. Why is it only letting us get CJ? Me flicking column. CJ? Let's see who all goes down. Wemby's a 99 now. Okay. Yeah, see, I told you CJ was going to go down. Look right now, going down. Low key. I think we'll be chilling. We don't need to make any changes. It's a similar. Wow. We suck. We lose the first like few games there. This is not a good trade. Lucky. Damn. Why we lose against the Warriors by 40? Who is Curry feeling like? Who was even Curry? This is not realistic. Moses may not return next season. He doesn't return until 2028 is his estimated, bro. So like, don't ever flicking lie to me. Fox will NBA Cup MVP? Yeah, that's never happening in real life. You see how he just played? 3 for 15, miss her chump boy. Miss a chump. And we lose against OKC. That's not realistic. Cause we be winning. We be winning in real life. Thunder own us in 2K, I guess. Okay. I don't know why. Oh, okay. I see why not. I see why not, bro. We don't need a trade deadline, low key. We'll be fine. Really no reason. Gonna be back to back. Nice. I want to beat the Warriors. So guys, get this. Ship Penny is refusing to resign with us. Why? You know what I mean, y'all? Yo, guys, Loki, yeah, I thought they were gonna make it way further. Than game 5. I thought it was going game 7. Win MVP, nice. Win B, defensive player of the year, nice. Steph is injured. Of course we win that. We should win the playoff. Nuggets are 8th seed, and we're losing right now. It's a game 7. Hello? No, like, hello? And we lost. We lost? Hello? And they get swept in the finals. So cool. I just really love when that happens, guys. I just love. We gave him all our money. Good. If we lose Wimby, then we're just cooked. Like if we lose Wim, then we are just like cooked. Okay, okay. DJ and Courtney can go. Okay, they can both go. They're not gonna go up anymore. Like they're not gonna go up anymore. Let's just be real. Let's be real tonight. Uh, uh, Corner. Wigan? I don't know. Why is there no players for them boys and girls? Like, what's up there? Like, what's up there? Yeah, excuse me. Lucky, give us this one, bro. Nice, nice, nice. Yes, yes. We have it. We just against the Warriors. Okay. And then we beat them. And we lose against the Mavericks. What so far is so good. 19-2? 20-3? Damn, we killed the Warriors. Good. They don't got no more Curry, so and Jimmy Butler. So we are chilling. I just want to see like who is he on the Warriors? They got Giannis and Dame, bro. Oh, yeah, they reunited. Nice. That's cool, bro. We lose against the T-Wolves, bro. Really? What was Ant feeling like? Ant and Randall, both of them, bro. Why? Why? That's fine, Loki. We just cannot beat the Thunder. I'm telling you. And we lose against the Warriors, against Giannis and freaking Damian Lillard. Okay, we beat the Thunder. And Michael Jordan's dead. Sick, guys. Let's freaking go. I'm having so much fun. I love when Michael Jordan is telling y'all. We don't need no trade deadline. Why did we just lose like that many games while Michael Jordan died? Hmm? Oh, we beat the Knicks on like real life. That's funny. Good. We is absolutely just killing every single team, which is amazing. Probably gonna win MVP. Hi. Why we lose? We just went on like a 5 loss streak there. We won like every single award, bro. Look at this award: MVP, Sixth Man of the Year, Defensive Player of the Year, Coach of the Year. How many chances still on here? Just good. See, I see why we lost those games because Wemby's injured, and that's going to affect us. We get swept. We get damn swept. Why is pods on here? What the frick? Like what? Dame retires. Chris Dunn retires. Okay, that's cool, bro. Don't care. Sad Dame retired, but I don't care about Chris Dunn. We're not losing Stephon Gasol, okay? 40 million. I'm back on, baby. Stephon Castle. Stephon Castle. Dealing with going up and you going up to it, you know, me well. Sam Hales and Luke on there, bro. And they're going down. Lots of places. Yeah, I wonder why. And when I'm doing the contract extensions, right, guys? They're just not on there. Maybe because they're on rookie contract? I'm not sure. Please, let me show you. Why? I'm not doing that. Oh my god. Let's just simulate. See, we're just an amazing team. What we could have won the finals that year, last year. If Wimby didn't get injured for 4 to 6 weeks. What's so funny, We won an NBA Cup again. How did Fox win back-to-back NBA Cup MVPs, bro? I'm waiting. And he can't play it worth crap in the finals. Yes. Who do we even go against? Who do we go against? Pistons. Okay. Is Caden still on there? Yeah, Caden's still on there. We're doing good. 18 losses, so we're doing worse than last season, actually. So we're not doing good, actually. Okay, then. That is fine. That is fine. Because I see why not. This is good now. Okay. Just please just don't get injured again, okay, guys? Come on, please. We need to win the finals. But don't forget, if we lose, win the finals for the NBA, we'll win 12 minutes recording. I want to at least get like 30 minutes for the Spurs. We win MVP, nice. Defense player of the year. Probably is going to be like that for a long time, so. We're not first? Say what? Can we please get past the first round? Oh my god, we finally got past the first round, guys. Finally. It's just the Mavericks Spurs. Come on. Mavericks suck. Excuse me. Come on. Thank you. Against the Warriors, it should be easy because it's non-Curry. It's just Giannis and Dame. Dame retired, I should say. Alright, win the final. It's literally the finals in the real time. It's a tie series. Why? Guys, really? Guys, come on. Yeah, we're killing them. We absolutely killed them. Nice, good stuff. Absolutely loving that from you. Beautiful basketball letter, I'm telling you. There's some Kawhi retired. What team did he retire on? Oh, he sticked with the Clippers. Nice Kawhi. Damn, he went. What age did he retire? 38. Not bad. Gary's age in real life. Anybody who's not on our team anymore. Alright, we just never can't get anybody else in the free agency because everybody on here is just freaking, you know what? Getting 41 million. If that doesn't work for the first day, yep, it works. All right, but we just can't get anybody else because we can't lose these guys or we're cooked. Wimby was down, really? Really, Wims? Wims. Corey Brown goes up, that's good. Keldon Johnson goes down. I'm not going to get rid of Keldon Johnson because he's been with the Spurs through the downs and ups and everything, dude. So I'm not going to get rid of him. I mean, rid of him. All right, so we're at 1 win so far? Nice, nice. Nice, 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 nice. Dude, please, can we get rid of Hauser? Nobody just wants these trash cans. Guess what? Dissimulate. What was that horrible start to the season? Oh my god, what happened, guys? Come on. Lock in. Who's on our bench? Everybody's good. Well, I see why we're doing horrible because freaking De'Aaron Fox is injured. We're 6 to 8 months. So he's not going to be back till the playoffs. But we lost to the NBA Cup. Great. All right. Now we'll win everything. Thank God. Why did we lose Fox? Really? I low-key thought we traded him for a second because I didn't see him until all the way to the bottom when I was doing, when you saw me just do the managing. I mean, looking at the bench in the starting lineup, and he wasn't there until I scroll all the way down, and he was there. Fox. I'm gonna trade him. We can't even trade him because 2K doesn't let you trade injured players. So, yeah. We killed the Knicks right there. I don't know why the Spurs couldn't do that in real life. They were winning by 29 in game 4. Wait, all of y'all should know what happened. Guys, Vassell's injured. Vassell or how you pronounce his name is. Vassell or Vassell? I don't know. I don't care either. Nice. Defense player. Oh, we fell off. Shay's injured again, guys. Shay is injured. We do take a game. We do take two. We do take the game 7. Is Wemby back? He is not indeed not back. It's a game 7. Please. Oh yeah, we win. Nice guys. Evils? I don't know. 2-1K. 3-1K. Come on. Nice. 4-2. Nice. Maybe. Wemby's not back yet. 1 to 2 weeks. Till some of the starters come back. We're gonna get swept. We're gonna get gentlemen swept. Okay. That is indeed fair. And we're gone. We lose by a single point. Wow. Okay. Wimby is this the only injury he gets, guys. Have you noticed that? The damn ankle. Heck. Gives Giannis. Oh, okay. Nobody? Oh, thank God. We can finally actually get some. Yeah. So they don't have my gun there, so oh, good. It's backguard back. Wayne goes down, Castle goes down, Fox goes down, of course. Randall goes up, nice. Brian goes up, nice. Vassell goes down, it's not great. Kellen Johnson goes down, this is not great either. Two players, right? When can we get married? I'm out of Trey Fox. You feel me? I'm out of Trey Fox. Let's just see what's offering for Fox. Nobody good. We're so good teams, so I don't really matter actually. Nice, nice guys. Look it. My God, we're actually freaking amazing. The guy did Trey Fox actually. We lost one game, 2 games. We lost the NBA Cup. That's just sad. It's fine though. It's just the NBA Cup. Excuse me. We lost 5 games. Any injuries? Just day to day, so it's fine. Wow. We all need a train, but look at our record. We are completely fine. Why is my head hurt, guys? So, guys, I should get a Wimby a contract extension, right? It says we have more than 14 players on our team, so I can't give an extension. I gave Kellen Johnson an extension because they let me do it. Oh, no, I did not let me do Wimpy. But he still has 2 years with us, so it's fine. I can just give an extension next season. Why do we lose those 2 games right there? Wow. Why did we not win the All NBA team? Like, what? That's a first. Okay, we'll go against OKC. All right, let's get it. Please, guys. Got to win there, right? The game 7. It looks like they'd be taking this. Maybe. Yeah, they won. Good stuff, guys. Shea has 11 plus 3 kills. Damn, Harper was living on the line. Warriors? Who's he on the Warriors? Yeah, this is easy team. How are we in game 7 with this team? I'm waiting. Yeah, look, we're absolutely killing them. Wait. Damn, we murder them. Where's Wemby? They really, bro. We're going against the Bulls. Who's on the Bulls? Nobody good besides Ja. There's all AI teammates Ja has on his team. Okay, so this is an easy one then. And we win. Nice. Because that Wemby. Let's go in our championship. What am I say lovely? Anybody we need to resign. Alright. You can get this on minimum. I said I want to get this in. Thank you. William goes down, Castle goes down, Fox goes down, Brian goes down, Steven goes down, Johnson goes down. Not looking out for us anymore, guys. Is not looking out. Guys, let's be real. How long was the last video I done? 24 minutes. Okay. This is sim labor. We'll be fine. We're not fine. We're still gotta go. That's for sure. Damn. Damn. Everybody went down. Okay. There we go. We're back to our winning stuff. Good. Or not. Win some freaking games, guys. Please. Please, please, please. Spencer Houston, who the frick are you? You won the NBA Cup. Oh yeah, we freaking beat them on December 20th. We owned them. How did they win the NBA Cup? There ain't nothing special. We're absolutely killing them. We gotta win at least one more ring, before we end the video. Because we're at 2 rings, too. And we finally lost against the Warriors. Okay. So what we do? Well, hey, we got Jalen Brunson on our team now. So. No, I'm telling y'all, we just ain't losing out here. We're a freaking amazing team. We haven't lost since January 23rd. Oh, I can just go back to it. Sick. Wimby's on, remember. We haven't. Oh, we lose against the Mavericks. We'll look on February 22nd. We won again that that day. And we just beat them just now. And why did we lose against the Clippers? Huh? Seriously. What the frick? We're an amazing team. Damn. One defensive player a year. Sick. Don't win MVP though. Stupid Cooper Flag does. Get going. Wheat maybe? No. Oh, yeah, good. Warriors. Who's on the Warriors? That stupid Spencer Houston guy. Who is that? It's a freaking AI. Okay, good. Mavericks. Who Mavericks have? Yeah, they just have Cooper, bro. And Lively. I don't got nobody good. Well, it's like damn sure they do. Don't know. We lost. Okay, let's go, bro. They just lost a player. Oh, there. So stupid. Brunson goes down. Really? We don't even have anybody. One more season, guys, and we'll call it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this season, this team looks fine. Yeah, see, we lost one game so far. It's against the damn Rockets, and now we're losing games. Okay. Oh, we got eliminated from the NBA Cup. Why is such a high scoring game? Goddamn. 151 to 155 is crazy. And we lost, and Mavericks won. Gay. Warriors won against us. Don't know who could possibly be on that team now. This stupid, this Swiss guy, or whatever his name was. I low key don't even remember chat. I'll be real with you. Rico, I see Michael join back. Really interesting. We're a so amazing team. Can we win the last season of the video, guys? I think we can. We got lose against the damn Mavericks again. What? Look, we can not win against the damn Mavericks. We can't beat the Warriors either. Guys, we don't Keldon Johnson anymore. No, 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 no. Why don't we? Or Johnson, bro. At least he won 2 rings with us. That's good. It is absolutely amazing, Loki. We won MVP finally, bro. It's been a while since we won MVP, Loki. My first game, 2 games. They take a game. We take 3. They take 2. We won. Nice. Thank God. Go against the Thunder now. Who's he on the Thunder now? Shay's on there. Yeah, he literally just has Shay, Chet, and J Dubber. We take 2, we take 3, and we win. Nice. That's better. Going against the Mavericks again, bro. Really? And we got swept. Okay. Guess we're leaving the video off the swept. Oh, I'll see y'all later. See you next video. So it'll be on Monday. So peace, guys.